everybody. This special ASMR video is going out to all y'all people out there that love the sounds of the car wash. Today's video will be driving in a BMW X1. I hope you're really satisfied with this wonderful video that I'm bringing to you here on my YouTube channel. All right, everybody, we're pulling in at the car wash. Good old Express Zips car wash. Let's don't hit a cone. Well, it looks like I won't be able to do my car wash video today. I'm so sorry, y'all. This really wasn't something I was planning to do. Well, I was gonna dedicate this video to my digital girlfriend. Her name on YouTube is Heather Effect. Heather Effect ASMR videos. Again, she's really truly inspired me to try doing some of this stuff. So Heather, I'm sorry I couldn't do my ASMR car wash video today for you, but just so you know, the next one I do is for you. Here's a little special sound, Heather. Thanks for watching, guys. Maybe next time. Don't forget, like, comment, and press down real hard on that red subscribe for me. Oh man, this would have been a good video. See you later, y'all.